Arithmetic sequence.
But if you need me, let me know.
But before that, we must first know what is a sequence. A sequence? A sequence is a succession of numbers which follows some fixed pattern. Each number is called term. Subscripts are used to designate the number of a term. It is customary to use a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4 until a sub n to designate a sequence of n terms. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding constant d to the preceding term. The constant d is called the common difference. Consider the following sequences and observe how the succession of terms is obtained. So in example A, our sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7. So all we need to do is to minus a term by its preceding term. So our second term is 3 and our preceding term is 1. So all we need to do is to minus it out. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So our common difference in this sequence is 2. So in letter B, our sequence is negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, and so on and so forth. So the same thing that we did in the first sequence. So negative 6 minus negative 3 is negative 3, negative 9 minus negative 6 is negative 3, negative 12 minus negative 9 is negative 3. So our common difference in this sequence is negative 3. The same thing in the preceding sequence. So our sequence in letter C is 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So all we need to do is to minus a term by its preceding term. So 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5, 2 minus 1.5 is 0.5, 2.5 minus 2 is 0.5. So the common difference is 0.5. As we can observe, the first two sequence has no end term. So what we call it as an infinite sequence. In the last and the third sequence, our sequence has an end term which is 2.5, so we call it as finite sequence. In symbols, if D is the common difference, then the terms of an arithmetic sequence can be enumerated in the following manner. A sub 1 is equal to the first term, A sub 2 is equal to A sub 1 plus D or the second term, A sub 3 is equal to quantity A sub 1 plus D or A sub 1 plus 2D or the third term, A sub 4 is equal to A sub 1 plus 2D plus D or A sub 1 plus 3D and so on and so forth. This shows that the coefficient of D is 1 less than the number of its terms. In general, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times D. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is defined as A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times D, where A sub 1 is the first term, A sub n is the last term, and n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. Let us observe in this illustrative example where we can apply our knowledge about arithmetic sequence. That's all for now. I hope you've learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.